grab it with your hands, nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands, nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello all you wonderful people out there, welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany.
Yeah man.
So guys, so today's video we'll be doing a Get Ready With Us Halloween edition. We are going to be, is it a competition?
Always.
Who has the best costume? Nah. But low-key it's a competition, but we'll be getting ready in front of you all. Today I'm supposed to be, what is this, a witch?
Chrissy in real life. And I got myself a wig, don't know if it's working. I am going to be sort of a vampire. Guys, I've never done anything like that, so please, bear with me. And my outfit is just this plain thing here. I did want something else also, but what I did want also they didn't have that.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I even have some stockings to go with my outfit. And
Ooh.
I guess it's really about the makeup to bring together all the look. So let's see if we can pull this off.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Mommy even buy beauty blender, guys.
Yeah, the cheapest one. I saw there for 99 cents and on Gabi holder, so it was like 13 euro and something for the two of them.
Really?
Imagine!
You should use them on such thing then.
Yeah, they are very special. Which side you're supposed to use? This?
Side of your coat.
Oh, so where shall we start? Alright, let's just pack out our makeup things then.
That's a good
Pack it out, girl. Yeah, man. I don't know since when Halloween has become such a big thing.
Since when?
I don't know, if something come from America. In Germany as well, I think they started late in life. Ooh, there's something to it.
See, you didn't even have to buy, but this is totally different quality. This is like a
That's
sponge.
come like a sponge mattress.
Oh gosh. Open up the fake blood. Oh wow, we have fake blood in the
You have fake
building.
blood? I can bite you. Then
Yeah.
you have real blood.
Okay, I guess this is yours anyway. Mommy, get the fake teeth. Some blood.
No, one time I used to buy color for work, like us on that color didn't show none on it. Oh, yeah, okay. But just in case I got my own.
Look at this ridiculous makeup. I hope something works.
What's that?
This is supposed to be white, I guess. Okay, so
Never mind. Okay, you just open all of them. Oh my god, why do you always have to rub them up like that? Jesus. You open this. I'll take a big one. Ah, my glass are turned soggy. Ah, good question. That's why I give you it. Remember, you are the genius in the
just pull
family.
it out.
Ooh. And this one.
So guys, I think my strategy will be to do my eyebrows first.
Strategy.
Yeah, I have a strategy. The witch needs a good set of eyebrows.
You mean strategy like you did have with the house what we did make for Christmas?
Guys, do you remember that video?
Yeah, that was a great strategy. You can't even say that big word there. Don't laugh, Mama.
So every witch needs a good eyebrow. A good pair of eyebrows.
You're an eyebrow specialist.
Mommy, I get white.
White already. Me a cheesecake, but now me not so white after all. If you look on this, we have a 10.
I guess if you continue more until you're fully white.
We not miss a point here as usual.
Okay, it's your look. Sorry.
I wonder if I go to work tomorrow, so I still go half white in my ears. People when me at work, they would get a nervous breakdown.
If you scrub it out properly.
Imagine I walking like that.
So guys, guess how my online schooling has been going?
Don't even ask.
So the university officially...
Yeah, midnight filmers now, yeah.
It's not midnight.
Almost.
It's like 8 or so.
Also, honey, it must have passed 9. And since 11 o'clock this morning, I wait for shift to wake up.
The point is, guys, I'm on Malaysian time 6 hours ahead. So I have classes around 2 a.m. in the mornings until 5, and then some classes go from 5 to 8 and some go from 8 to 11. So my whole body is confused. And it's hard for us to find time to film together. We almost didn't film this video because I woke up late again.
Yeah, tell me about it.
But here we are, finally filming again.
Yes, you did make it.
But it's so hard to get my body somehow in some kind of a routine. And so wait a second.
You think that color will come off?
So I mean, it's not the most perfect eyebrows, but it will do the trick, right? So.
And how is it going?
It's going good.
I'm gonna have to look like a cheesecake and you look so. Okay, what is
I
it
guess it wouldn't be fair if we both look white.
This is this stuff. Oh my god.
Yeah? That means I'm never use them. Guys, my makeup thing is mashed up.
It's not working, yeah. I think even vampire go afraid of me. What?
So usually I like use my brushes and so, but I can't bother to even stand up. Hopefully it won't fail.
I mean, nobody help me do here.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oi. Whoa. What? Eh?
Definitely looks scary.
You know, the other day we watched this movie, our old vampire movie. Roman Polanski and Sharon Tate. It kind of is a comedy like us also. You laugh so until you drop, let me tell you.
I guess with Halloween I can't do nothing wrong. It still looks scary anyway.
Oh, you really have to press down hard with this thing, Jesus.
And it still doesn't even look black. It looks more like grey or something. So guys, now I'm gonna try my luck with the watercolor.
Well, I guess next time you're gonna be a lot smarter. I guess most of the time you're going to see my mirror, but I'm used to that one here.
Yeah, I got my mirror in the way too.
Yeah.
It's all about the finish look. Mommy, this one more black.
Me or you?
My one more black than yours.
Can I use this one? I don't know. Use
So now I'm gonna do some mascara.
So? Vampire use mascara, guys.
Why not?
You overdo it. Just you want to look better than me. weit. Oh, cool, I'm doing here. Okay, this are it. I like this are it. So I try my own. Look for me.
That is red.
Afraid of me, guys? There was so much horror movies, I forgot what a vampire looked like.
Yeah, guys, she should be very experienced in this thing because she watch all kind of horror movie. Me, no.
I know. But not particularly the one with the vampire. I mean, like suspense and things like.
So vampire can have suspense.
Yeah, like haunted house kind of show. I could try out my wig here now. Yeah? Poo-poo. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so unexperienced with wigs. So how this work?
First, if you pack where your hair, put it like in a ponytail like this. I can just put it over like that if you hide this.
Come on. You should have get one wig with one pony, you know, make it to be. Oh my god. I'm frightened myself. Oh Jesus. What is.
What did you do to my mom?
What do I use? Eyeliner top. And she had tried to look pretty here, money. And the which movie what me watch also them which never look pretty, let me tell you. Well, I don't know, something missing from my forehead since I don't have no pony. Yeah, laugh after me. What about this now? At least I have halfway of a pony. Hey.
Mommy, not feel good with a pony.
Want a pony. Oh, hör auf, bevor mir Schminke schmelzen hier in der Sonne.
Happy Halloween!
Guys.